Well, welcome back to jaylian.co.uk. I've got some kind of loot crate. Hopefully we'll figure what it is. Hopefully we'll figure out what it is once we get inside. Okay, so first out we've got Transformers Bumblebee keyring. Look inside there, see what that's like. Oh, that's pretty cool. That is metal. And the arms move as well. Yeah, just the arms. That's pretty cool. It's heavy as well. And we've got Project Mayhem beanie. And it looks like some sort of tapestry. That's everything in the box. So you can figure out what this is. Like a blanket tapestry thing. Rug maybe? See if there's any tags on it anyway. Nope. Okay, I'm not going to undo it. Oh, hang on, what's this? The Big Lebowski. So I'm not going to undo it all. I'll put a picture of it on the website. And that's basically, looks like a rug of some description. Or a tapestry for on the wall. And that's everything. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next time at jaylian.co.uk.